Today I'll be showing you how to underline and do some other things in your Microsoft Word document. Remember, we've talked about how to copy and paste and how to type in Microsoft Word. Remember, for you to increase the font of this thing, you highlight it. This is you are down choosing the handwriting, different type of writing. Okay, let's say you choose this one. They want you to be like this, but you see, maybe it's tiny for you. Still on highlight, you go to font size, you increase the font size. Now when you increase the font size, you can underline. Like you want to underline this place, all you need to do is to highlight it. When you highlight it, you come here, you click here, it's underline. If you don't want it to be in bold, you click here. If you click here, it will no longer be in bold. It will no longer be in bold. If you want to remove the underline, you will click on underline, it has gone out. If you click here again, it will come. Then you can change the color of the right top. You can change the color. Just click here, just come here and click here, the color will change. Then you can give it a background color. Then if you don't want it again, you can come back and click no color. If you don't want this font color again, you can still come back here and click automatic. Okay, so this is how to give your right top a background color. Now this background color, I want to remove it. That's not removed. You want to remove the background color, come here, this is background color, click here, click on no color, it has gone out. Okay, so if you want to remove this underline, click on here, it has gone out. You don't want it to be on bold, click on bold. I don't know what is wrong with my own bold. You can click Ctrl B. If you want on bold, you can also click Ctrl U. You want to remove underline. Then you want to change the case of this thing from uppercase to lowercase. You can click here, you see it has changed. You want to capitalize each one, you can still click here. Okay, then you want to increase font size. If you don't want to use this and this, another way to increase the font size is through here. You can increase it through here, you can decrease it through here. Okay, so this is how to do some of these minor things here that I've just showed you.